Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get back missing recycle bin icon in your PC or laptop. So let's begin. So here you can see on my PC there have no recycle bin icon. I want to get back it. What I need to do? Right click on my mouse, select personalize, and then on the right side you can find first of all select themes, and then right side you can find desktop icon settings. Select it, and here you can see recycle bin. You just need to mark it and select apply, and then okay. Right now if I just cross it, and here you can see recycle bin already get back. So in this way you can get back recycle bin icon in your PC or laptop. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.